In the pyrolysis treatment of waste plastics and tire sludge, the pyrolysis oil and carbon black generated are important resources in modern industry, each showing unique application value. Pyrolysis oils have important applications in energy and chemical production. In terms of energy, pyrolysis oil can replace traditional fuels for power generation, heating and transportation, reducing dependence on fossil fuels, and reducing greenhouse gas emissions. In terms of chemical production, pyrolysis oil can generate a variety of valuable chemicals and solvents, promoting the development of a circular economy. Carbon black is widely used in the rubber, plastics, and coatings industries. In the rubber industry, carbon black improves the wear resistance and strength of tires and other rubber products and extends their service life. In plastic products, carbon black enhances product durability and improves coloration. In the paint industry, carbon black is used to make pigments that give paints a deep black color and improve hiding power. The diverse uses of these byproducts make pyrolysis not only a waste treatment method, but also a way of resource regeneration and sustainable development.